Hi angels, today's video is my birthday video, you guys. So I'm having a birthday party and all of you are invited. You get a car, you get a car, you get a car, just like on Oprah, you guys. So today's video, we're gonna be doing a lovely unboxing. We're gonna be doing an unboxing of a Coach item that I treated myself to for my birthday. Before we get into the unboxing of the Coach item, we have to go ahead and celebrate your girl's birthday, right? So let's go ahead and celebrate my birthday. So you guys can see, we have some lovely muffins here. We're just gonna pretend this is cake, okay? I have it on a cake platter. We're just gonna pretend this is cake. And you can see I went ahead and stuck those candles in there. The first couple have the H, the A, the PPY, happy, and then the back row has the BIRTH, and then DAY on the last couple of cakes, the last couple of muffins. You can see the day in the back right there. So let's go ahead and get this party started right, you guys. So I'll be right back with you after we have these lit. Okay. We're almost ready to celebrate my birthday. Okay, you guys, so I have all the candles lit. And I'm so ready for you guys to come on and help me wish myself a happy birthday. You know the whole song and dance. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear lvluxegirl. Happy birthday to you. Yay! Okay, let me go ahead and blow these candles out. I hope I can blow them all out, you guys, in one blow. Okay, here we go. Okay, I had to do 3 blows, you guys. So we went ahead and blew them out, and I hope you guys join me for my birthday and for some of this lovely muffins, some of this lovely cake. Let's go ahead with the unboxing. So I picked up an item that I wanted for a while at the Coach outlet. Let me move this over. And I have the lovely item right here, you girls. I have it right here, and we're gonna go ahead and do my unboxing or my unbagging right here, you guys. Ready? Here she is. So I picked up the lovely Val Duffle for my birthday. I treated myself to the Val Duffle, you guys. You know how much I love the vintage Coach duffel, as well as I have the Coach duffelette in signature. So I went ahead and decided to just pick myself up the Val Duffle in the beautiful brown pebbled leather. This pebbled leather is so pretty. And it smells so good. The leather smells so good. Right now I can smell the smell of my candles because I just blew them out. Even in the store when I was looking at this lovely bag, I could just smell the smell of the leather. So beautiful. And what I like about the Val Duffle, unlike the vintage Coach duffel, it has a back pocket. This back pocket is so good for your keys and for your cell phone. This bag, you can wear it several different ways. You can go ahead and extend the strap and wear it as a shoulder bag like this, or you can wear it as a shoulder bag with the handles doubled like this. Or you can go ahead and fix the strap in a single long strap and wear it crossbody. And I like the fact that they put the tag for it a little bit down. You know, normally they put the tag on the buckle. Well, they put the tag on a little D-ring that's hanging down a little bit. So you really could see it. And then it says Coach right here, which the vintage Coach duffel doesn't say in the hardware, in the brass right there. So this is what I treated myself to for my birthday, you guys. And just a little something, nothing too extra, you know, just a little something for my birthday. And I'm gonna enjoy wearing this lovely bag. It's so nice and big. It can hold so much. And it doesn't have feet at the bottom, but that's the way it looks at the bottom. And I'm gonna also come back and compare it to my little duffelette. My duffelette is smaller than this lovely bag. Let me tell you girls something that I noticed in the store that I didn't know about this lovely bag. It says Coach on the hardware right here. They have the word Coach engraved on the hardware. And that just really, really made me happy and gave me a fit in the store when I noticed it, because I didn't know that. I wasn't aware of that before I picked up the bag. And it just reminded me of a few of my vintage Coach bags on the brass hardware. A few of them say solid brass, and a few of them say, like on my Andrea Slim vintage Coach bag, the word Coach is engraved as well in small letters on the hardware right there. on my Andrea Slim vintage Coach bag. So I think the engraving of the word Coach is just so nice the way they put that there. And these buckles are so reminiscent of the brass buckles right here are so reminiscent of the vintage Coach bags. You know, not a lot of the Coach bags nowadays have this type of brass buckle. You know, most of them are more updated with different type of brass D-rings and O-rings and different type of hardware. But this one is so similar to the vintage Coach bag because it has this type of buckle, just like the vintage duffel had. You know, you girls out there that remember the vintage Coach duffel. So today, you girls, I just wanted to go ahead and celebrate my birthday with you girls on camera and unbox my new latest beauty right here. And another feature that I forgot to mention, my crown is crooked, my tiara. Another feature that I almost forgot to mention that this bag has is that the pull tab has a braided pull tab. I never knew that before, that this pull tab was braided on the Val Duffle. And I've seen a lot of you girls with this bag. I know how much it's loved, this duffel. It came in different colors. Let's go ahead and take a look at the interior before I let you girls go. The interior is not soft leather. The interior in there is just has a line in there, lining in there. And you do get a back. Hold on, let me check. Let me make sure. Okay, so the interior in there is just lined. It has a lining and it does have a pocket against the back wall right there. It does have one pocket and then it's lined, but you're gonna be able to fit a lot in there. I love it so much. Don't be surprised if you see me pick it up in several different colors. So today I just wanted to do an unboxing, an unbagging of my lovely bag right here. So thank you girls for hanging out with me today for my birthday, for my unboxing. Thank you for joining me for some of my cake. I hope you girls enjoyed my video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe on my channel. Stick with me for more videos, and I'll see you girls in my next video. Thanks for hanging out with me for my birthday. Bye.